Ever wondered how temples are managed effectively? Well, Mumbai University has an exciting answer. In an upcoming initiative, the university is set to launch a certificate course in temple management in collaboration with the prestigious Oxford Center for Hindu Studies. As India hosts numerous significant temples, the question arises: how can real life examples inspire and guide interested candidates in effectively managing these sacred spaces? Let's delve into the details of this unique venture. Exciting prospects lie ahead for students. Responding to the interest and growing employment opportunities, Mumbai University contemplates extending the temple management course to a postgraduate diploma or even an MBA program in future. In a significant move, the University Center for Hindu Studies and the Department of Sanskrit have inked a memorandum of understanding with the renowned Oxford Center for Hindu Studies. The focus: a comprehensive study of Hindu philosophy. Departments collaborate with Oxford to develop a curriculum for certificate and diploma courses available in both online and offline formats. Aligning with the National Education Policy's emphasis on integrating the Indian Knowledge System (IKS) into higher education, Mumbai University is set to launch the 6-month certificate course. Collaborating with its two management schools, the Jamanlal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies and the Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute, the course aims to incorporate real-life applications of management principles. Established temples like Sri Sai Baba Sansthan Trust, Shegaon's Gajanan Maharaj Temple, and even ISKCON will serve as living examples, enriching the learning experience for interested candidates. The official set: some are managing electricity by making use of solar-operated systems. Some are making use of flowers offered by devotees to make incense sticks, which is also creating employment opportunities. Some have started using technology to manage queues. There are books written on these practices which can be used as references. This initiative stands as a testament to the richness of Indian traditions and cultures. The collaboration between Oxford and an Indian university for a temple management course reflects a growing partnership and the increasing recognition of Indian values on the global stage. Do you not believe it's a commendable collaboration, bridging cultural boundaries and fostering a deeper understanding of our heritage?
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.